Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. You're in Unit 6, Retirement of Partners. And today we are going to discuss problem number 13. Right? We are learning how to adjust the goodwill of the firm when a partner is retiring. Right? Now, Balu, Chandru and Nirmala are partners. Nirmal are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 5:3:2. On 31st March 2018, Nirmal retires from the firm. On the date of Nirmal's retirement, goodwill appeared in the books of the firm as 60,000. By assuming fluctuating capital account, pass the necessary journal entries if partners decide to write off the entire amount of existing goodwill or write off half of the existing goodwill. So in this problem, already goodwill of the firm appeared as 60,000. Right. So here you have Balu. Okay, here Balu, Chandru and Nirmal as partners. Okay, and they share the profit and loss in the ratio 5:3:2. That is, they get 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10. Okay, so this is the share this is how they're going to share the profit and loss. And the goodwill of the firm appears as 60,000. So Nirmal is retiring. Here Nirmal is going to retire. Okay, so goodwill appeared in the books as, they didn't value the goodwill. Already goodwill is what's there in the firm. So how are you going to calculate? So you have 60,000. Already goodwill is there in the balance sheet. All right. So this is the goodwill. Now what is the first condition? Write off the entire amount of existing goodwill. Okay. So first condition. Let us solve the first condition A. What is the first condition? Write off the entire amount of goodwill. So write off the entire amount of goodwill. Okay. So the entire amount is 60,000. What should be the journal entries passed? So let us write journal entries. Journal entries. Right. So date, particulars, LF, and then you have debit and credit. Okay, write rupees, write rupees. Okay, let us take it further up because you need space for us to pass the journal. So the date was actually 31st March 2018. Right. Now you're going to write off the entire goodwill to 3 partners. Who are the 3 partners? Balu. The second one was Chandru. And the third one was Nirmal. Isn't it? So Balu's capital account, Nirmal's capital account, Chandru's capital account and Nirmal's capital account. You are going to write off to goodwill account. Okay. What is the amount? 60,000 was the amount. Okay. To be shared among the 3 existing partners. So existing goodwill written off. Existing goodwill written off. Okay. Now let us share the 60,000 5:3:2. Right. So 60,000 into 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10. Right. So 0, 0 cancel. So here you have 30,000. Next 8 6s are 18,000. Next 6 2s are 12,000. Right. So we have done this. Actually, we are supposed to put it in the debit side, and we have written it here. So let us raise it and transfer it there. Okay. I put it in the LF column. Instead, you're supposed to enter it in the debit column, right? So we'll put it in the debit column. Debit side, you have 30,000. And for Chandru, 18,000. And Nirmal, 12,000. Right? I hope you understood this, children. Next, we are going to part B. Now, what does part B say? Part B of the problem says that you're going to write off half of the existing goodwill. Half of the existing goodwill. Right. What is half of 60,000 is 30,000. Right. Okay, rupees 30,000. The same way you write date. Okay, you are going to pass journal entries, right? Journal. Date, particulars. You can write LS, debit, and credit. Okay, so it's just one journal, so you don't have to have a detailed pattern. When you're doing a big problem, then you should have a detailed pattern. So 31st March 2018. So the entry is going to be the same, only amount is going to change. So who are the three partners? Balu, Chandru, and who's going to retire? Nirmal. Okay, so Nirmal. So Balu's capital account, Chandru's capital account, and Nirmal's capital account. So you can say the half of the goodwill written off. Now before that you have to pass the entries to. Okay, we need some more space. Let me bring the thing down. Right. Okay, I've chosen this. I need some more space. Okay. So to goodwill, let us pass the journal entry, finish it, and then write the narration. To goodwill, being half of the existing goodwill, written off. Okay, what is half of the goodwill? 30,000. Okay, now 30,000, you can divide it in the same ratio, 30,000 into 5 by 10. So that will go here 3,000 times, isn't it? Cancel 1 0, so it becomes 3,000. So 15,000, then into 2. 3 into 3 is 3 3s are 9, right? 9,000, and then into 2, 6,000. That's it. That's it, children. Only 2 journals you have to pass here in this problem. I hope you understood this. Next, I'll go to problem number 14. Right? I hope you understood this.